honestly wèrè ní Egyptian Ọlọ́run àwọn mọ́súrì yìí tá à ń pè ní Egyptian wèrè ni wọ́n honestly they are crazy. You can imagine àwọn ẹgbẹ́ mi yìí flat tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ mi all this while that I've been in this house nobody is in that flat èmi nìkan mò ń gbé sálẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn wà lókè but they are moved somebody have eventually gotten the flat after several months tí Egyptian bá dẹ̀ ń kó wọlé báyìí gbogbo ayé ló máa mọ̀ wọ́n máa fẹsẹ̀ palẹ̀ máa rojọ́ wèrè. Do you understand? They are not civilized. They don't know that. Do you understand? And if any foreigner is moving in this country, foreigner knows better. We would rather move when in the night when things are quiet. Even in the day, you won't know that. And we have luggages and luggages. We will never intrude on anybody's, you know. Plus the weather. Hey? They are so noisy, including their footsteps and all that. That is what we are facing in this country. It makes something to bore somebody. We easily get bored. Only God can welcome on board. Only God can deliver foreigners. And you guys, welcome on board. Welcome. Before I go further, Olumide Are Akande Omolola Julo. What up, guy? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? Hey? Ìwọ lọmọ lọ́lá jùlọ. Your father was before rated as the 7th richest man in the world. Not even Dangote that is richer in Africa. Your father was 7th. Do you understand? Gbogbo wa lájọ ṣe kékeré dàgbà ládùúgbò. Even though you spend most of your life abroad. Do you understand? Gbogbo wọn ni wọ́n jẹ́ landlord ládùúgbò bí bàbá mi ṣe jẹ́ landlord ládùúgbò. No, honestly. Do you understand? Are Akande, our daddy Are Akande, àwọn múlé ti Adégòkè. Along total ilé gbogbo wọn pátá ilé popsi mi ló jẹ́ central. We have engineer Keyud ìyẹn tiẹ̀ ilé tiẹ̀ jìnnà díẹ̀ lọ́nà ojú ọ̀nà ilé ìwé. We have Gotek Abegunde. We have Baba former governor Fayo Ose. We have all of them. We are in the same neighborhood in Orita Challenge Ibadan. So and you were our wonderful Olumide Are Akande got married to our beautiful actress Dakore Egbonsin, and it's been alleged that they too have a divorce. Ẹjọ́ alleged yẹn náà kó ya jẹ́ o mo fọlọ́run bá bẹ̀ yín guys. It's been said now, updated, just recent update that you people are allegedly divorced. You people are allegedly separated. Ẹ̀yin ọkọ ìyàwó ẹ má dá gànjọ ìyàwó ẹlẹ́sìn oṣù kí ló dé? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ tún nífọ̀n tẹ́lẹ̀ kan náà kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan-an? Please let that details update. Let it just remain in alleged. I don't want to believe the rumors going around, the speculations. I wouldn't want to believe that you guys are divorced, that you guys are facing. You guys are matured enough. Dakore Egbonsin got married at 30 something, and you guys are, there's nothing wrong in the Klaus marrying an actress. He's a wonderful, genius actress. Yes, guys, as you can see the title, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle bombshell decisions and all that. We all know our Prince Harry of England, the grandson of Queen of England, and we know his wedded wife. I think they got married, was it not last year? I think they got married last year. They have a baby now, a beautiful baby. They have now decided to be on their own. First of all, much kudos to Meghan Markle. You are a strong woman. You are not just cool and you are not just a calm woman, but you are powerful. Okay? Because when I heard this latest update about how you guys decided to go and live your life outside the royalty, even though you are not neglecting the family, you are not renouncing the family, but both of you have now decided to live your world outside royalty. I recollected what your late mom, our wonderful Lady D, went through. She was eventually caught cheating. These are one of the things. She was marriage abuse. I could recollect it. And then one thing, I can share my own experience too, because there was a time with my ex-husband when the marriage was still on, we were in the family house. When a man is still in among his family and is legally married, he will want to, you understand, there are some things that he will tolerate for his spouse, normal thing when they are together. But when family are around, he will want to act like a man. Not only Nigerian culture, it's all over the world. So I can understand what both the young couple are going through. Apart from the normal routine in the royal family, you people must have breakfast together, the whole family. You must work in the family empire. Not all, in fact, I can say the only royalty that I know that is absurd is the UK royalty. I never wish it for my enemy. There is a routine for how a queen, like any wife married to that family, should dress. You must always be in the heart. Can you see our lady D when she was still married in her lifetime to them? She must always be on the heart. Then you must not wear anything that open your chest, even if it's a little. Why won't you wear that? A young couple, and your man will be looking at another. There is too much rules and regulation that even the most saint human being cannot do you understand, cannot pass it. If they have to travel, maybe on vacation, they will have noted the royalty on ground, and they must take everything that they will eat out there. They don't eat out. No autograph, even though they are one of the greatest celebrities in the record in the world. They cannot give anybody autograph. People, please go. I could go on and on. Go and study it on Google. The rules and regulations of Windsor's royalty is nothing but like slavery, dominating, and boredom. Huh? And that girl, she went through a lot. When she wants to get married, her family wasn't there for her. Her stepbrother send a lot of negative messages to Harry not to marry her, even her father, things like that. And she's somebody that doesn't grow with her father. Do you understand? It doesn't mean when you don't have good relationship with your family does not mean you are a bad person. We have some relatives that are very worse, that they are devil in disguise. I mean, they are animal in woman's thing. They are worse than wolf. If you look at that girl, and she cannot even continue her career as an actress. She's a wonderful actress. For somebody to be marrying you royalty, so what? So guys, Harry and Meghan Markle, I'm so happy for you guys. You made the right decision. Wonderful. And every lady out there, let her be. Do you understand? She's a woman of rich history. She doesn't want the history to repeat itself on her head. Lady D was an excellent lady. Look at what she went through. When she has been neglected, there was a time she on her birthday, nobody in the Windsor's house congratulated her. Nobody congratulated her for her birthday. She was forced to start dating secretly somebody that is like a instructor to her, to be training her how to ride a horse. Ladies can go through an emotional abuse and all that can push somebody to another limit. But thank God you married the right man that love you. If your man love you, he will listen to you. We were not told what is going on in their closet, or that it was Morgan that eventually told her husband, tell her husband, this is what I want. But normally that is what is going on in the marriage. It is, do you understand? She must have used wisdom. Ladies, you should know how to, do you understand? That is not dominating. Gradually with wisdom, you'll be showing him some instances why you guys have to have a word of your own. Couples, especially fresh couple, new wedded couple, they need a word of their own. Because even what woman will be, men are stubborn. What woman will be going through with her husband is not an easy task. And that does not mean your man doesn't love you. A man will, at times, the man thing can get into their head. Nobody is gossiping to him. Nobody is telling him trash. He will just begin to add up salt. Not to talk of when. You want to know what I went through when I was in Ogberetuoya with comrade, my ex-husband. Then, hey, they were attacking the marriage spiritually. Ilaje and Ikale. I told us now. The father is Ilaje, the mama is Ikale. Even there were a lot of prophecies from my church that this lady is surrounded by black power. They were my pastor cannot sleep. God will keep showing him revelation upon revelation that he should start praying for him. He and his wife, Pastor Shegun and his wife, they cannot sleep. They keep seeing revelation. That Auntie Diti Olu is in. They started praying. My late mom still took me. We went to a church. They gave the same revelation that the place that this your younger girl went and got married to them, those family are this girl, you better pray for her. She's too young for what she's facing. Mo ru ọrùn mi gùn báyìí. Kí lẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí mo ṣẹ̀ ni pé mo wá fẹ́ ọmọ kálẹ̀. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí mo ṣẹ̀ láì ṣe láì ro ọmọ kékeré ara mi. Mo rù mo kegun. Ha! Mo rù mo kegun. Ẹni tó dẹ̀ fẹ́ kó tó fẹ́ mi wọlé ìyàwó bọ̀dá tó kú bọ̀ kan tó jẹ́ half brother sí ọkọ tèmi nígbà yẹn, òkú tìyẹn lọ gbé jáde. Ọmọ Ìgbò ni bọ̀dá yẹn fẹ́. Ọmọ Ìgbò ni bọ̀dá yẹn fẹ́. Lady yẹn náà bímọ èyí tèmi bí tèmi láyọ̀ tí ò sí kankan. Lady yẹn bọ̀ wọ́n ṣe ìyàwó, wọ́n tún ṣe ìyàwó fún wọn. Bọ̀ wọ́n àtọkọ ẹjọ́ ń gbé. Ẹsẹ̀ kan ń wú ni. Ẹsẹ̀ ń wú, ó ń wú, ó ń wú. Ìgbà tó yá lady yẹn kú. Owó tó nìkan ni kí bàbá ọkọ mi san. Ṣé mọ̀ pé Ìgbò wà wá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣe ìyàwó pẹ̀lú òkú ni. I was lamenting what, do you understand? What marriage? Hey, so I'm so happy for both of you. You made the right choice. At least as a nursing mother, when she has done with nursing the baby to some extent, she can face a wonderful career. They are having their own life. They need it. And two of them deserve each other. They are easygoing and sweet person. How can you? I don't know how some parents, some royalty, some culture of a family or whatever, they are so sentiment, they are so self-centered. You don't love your children. You don't want their happiness. A lot of parents that you love to cuddle your children under your roof, despite that they are holding off in the name of one culture, one tradition, in the name of, there is one vocabulary that my blood brother Omololu used to use. In the name of one obligation, I mean, in the name of protocol. In the name of, he used to use one vocabulary that is the protocol. In the name of protocol. Anybody out there, let it be a lesson all around the world. It's not love. You are so self-centered. You try to use one, you will be blaspheming in the name of culture, in the name of protocol, in the name of royalty that they must be within us. Marriage is not easy. That is my lamentation so far. Couple, they need the word of their own. They need the word of their own. Even though they are together alone, that nobody is attacking them physically or spiritually, they will still, Jesus proclaimed that they will still go through hard time. But because the Lord has conquered the world, they will eventually conquer. If that love is based on a solid ground. Ladies out there, please, when suitors are coming, please, when suitors are coming, marry the man that will, I'm not saying you should not go for handsome man. You should not go for a man who have a job and all that. What's wrong with my head? But marry the man that cares for your feeling. Do you understand? The man that will understand you, that you will not see that any little thing time here, comrade, the mama pariwo, mo fẹ́ dominate òun ni, mo fẹ́ dominate òun. Ìgbà tó yá ni bàbá mi correct ẹ, nígbà tá máa ń kó jà lọ bá wọn pé ìyẹn kọ́ ló pè mí domination. Ìgbà tó dẹ̀ yá, mi ò lè jẹ́ kó pa mí. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nù ìwé kọ́bọ̀, mo ṣa gbogbo ẹrù mi jọba ẹ̀ ní pé ilé àwọn òbí ẹ̀ tó ló fẹ́ lọ máa gbé yẹn níwọ tó oníṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lọ máa gbé bẹ̀. That was how the marriage eventually, ó tiẹ̀ ṣe pé lílù. So guys, I'm so happy for these people. They made the best and right choice. She read that Queen of England. I don't know why. I don't buy her. Do you understand? There are some things about that woman I don't. Anyway, I'm not gonna go into that. But I'm happy for the couple. Morgan, this is her second marriage. The actress Morgan, obìnrin ò lè máa ṣí kiri. Àdúpẹ́ tó jẹ́ pé kò gbé egun eléegun lọ́tẹ̀ yìí. Èèyàn gbọ́dọ̀ fi ọkọ tá máa gbọ́ràn síyàn lẹ́nu. Kì í ṣe pé ọkọ akọ̀ máa ti kí ní bojú ara èèyàn lásán. Á jẹ gbádùn. Tó bá jẹ gbádùn ojú àwálẹ̀, kò sí nǹkan tó máa rò mọ́yàn lára. Bẹ́ẹ̀mi ṣe máa ń ronú nìyẹn. Not that your man will just be giving you the something. He will just be having you. At the end of the day, we will not consider you. You will not consider anything. Guys, welcome aboard. Subscribe. I gotta go. Love you guys. Thank you.